Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello, everyone. Today's story is called Shopping for Clothes at the Mall. In this video, you will follow a simple and slow story about Taylor and Sam. Sam needs to buy new clothes for a birthday party. They go to a big shopping mall to find a shirt and pants. You will learn many useful English words for shopping, clothes, sizes, and colors. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. Here is today's question. What color shirt does Sam buy at the end of the story? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Scene 1. Arriving at the mall.
Here we are, Sam. This is the new shopping mall.
Wow, this shopping mall is huge. There are so many stores.
Yes, a shopping mall is a very big building with many different shops inside. What do we need to buy today?
I need new clothes. I am going to my friend's birthday party this Saturday.
A birthday party. That is exciting. What kind of clothes do you want?
I want a nice shirt and some new pants. My old clothes are too small now.
Okay, we need a shirt and pants. Let's look at the mall directory.
Directory? What is a directory?
A directory is a big map of the mall. It shows us where all the shops are.
Oh, I see. The directory is a map. Where is the clothing store?
Look, there is a big clothing store on the second floor. Let's take the escalator to the second floor.
Escalator? Oh, you mean the moving stairs?
Yes, the moving stairs are called an escalator. Let's go up.
Scene 2. Looking at the window display.
Okay, we are on the second floor. Where is the store?
It is right here. Look at the window display.
Window display? What does that mean?
The window display is the glass window at the front of the shop. They put nice clothes in the window to show people.
Oh, I see the window display. Look at those plastic people wearing clothes.
Those plastic people are called mannequins. The mannequins show us how the clothes look.
Mannequins. That is a new word for me. I'd like the shirt on that mannequin.
It looks good. Let's go inside the store and look for it.
Scene 3. Choosing a shirt, colors and patterns.
This store is very nice. There are so many clothes.
Yes. Let's look at the shirts first. The men's shirts are over here.
Here are some t-shirts. I like t-shirts.
A t-shirt is good for every day, but a birthday party is special. Maybe you need a button-up shirt.
A button-up shirt? What is that?
Look at this shirt. It has small round things on the front to close it. Those are buttons. So, it is a button-up shirt.
I understand. A button-up shirt? Yes, that is better for a party.
Do you want short sleeves or long sleeves?
Sleeves? What are sleeves?
The sleeves are the parts of the shirt that cover your arms. Short sleeves stop above your elbow. Long sleeves go down to your hands.
Oh, sleeves cover the arms. I want long sleeves. It is a little cold at night.
Good choice. Now, what color do you want?
I don't know. What colors do they have?
They have solid colors and patterns. This one is light blue, this one is dark green, and this one has stripes.
Stripes? What are stripes?
Stripes are long, straight lines. See? This shirt has white and blue lines. It has stripes.
I see the stripes. But I think I like solid colors better. I like the dark blue shirt.
The dark blue button-up shirt with long sleeves. It is very nice.
Scene 4. Understanding sizes.
I want to buy this dark blue shirt. I will take it.
Wait, Sam. First, we need to check the size.
Size? What is size?
The size tells us how big or small the shirt is. Look at the tag inside the shirt.
The tag. Oh, this small piece of white cloth. It has a letter on it. It says S.
S stands for small. Is your size small?
I am not sure. I am a little tall. Maybe I need a bigger one.
Let's look at the other sizes. Here is an M. M means medium, and here is an L. L means large.
Small, medium, large. What is this one with an XL?
XL means extra large. It is very big.
I think I need a medium. Let me hold the M shirt.
It looks good, but you should try it on to be sure.
Try it on? Where can I try it on?
You can try it on in the fitting room. Let's go find the fitting room.
Scene 5. The fitting room.
Here is the fitting room, Sam.
Fitting room. This is a small room with a mirror and a door.
Yes. You take the clothes inside, put them on your body, and look in the mirror. This is called trying on clothes.
Okay, I will try on this medium dark blue shirt. Wait here, Taylor. Taylor! I tried it on.
How does it fit? Does it look good?
It does not fit. It is too tight. My arms cannot move.
Oh no, it is too tight. That means the medium is too small for you. You need a bigger size.
Can you bring me the large size, please?
Yes, I will get the large dark blue shirt for you. Wait in the fitting room. Here is the large size, Sam. Try this one on.
Okay, thank you. Taylor, look.
Wow, Sam, that looks great.
Yes, it is not too tight and not too loose. It fits perfectly.
Fits perfectly. I am glad. We have the shirt. Now we need pants.
Scene 6. Buying pants and accessories.
Where are the pants?
The pants are over there next to the shoes.
Do I want jeans or trousers?
Jeans are casual pants made of blue denim cloth. Trousers are more formal pants.
I think jeans are good. Everyone wears jeans to birthday parties.
Okay, let's look at the jeans. What size are your pants?
My pant size is 32.
Here is a pair of blue jeans, size 32. Do you want to try them on?
Yes, I will go back to the fitting room. Taylor, the jeans fit perfectly. But they are a little loose on my waist. They might fall down.
Oh, if they are loose on the waist, you need a belt.
A belt? What is a belt?
A belt is a long leather strap. You wear it around your waist to hold your pants up.
Oh, I know a belt. Yes, I need a black belt.
Here is a nice black leather belt. Now you have a dark blue shirt, blue jeans, and a black belt. You look ready for the party.
Scene 7. Talking to the shop assistant.
Oh, wait, Taylor, I see a jacket over there. I want to buy a jacket too. It might be raining on Saturday.
Good idea. Let's look at the jackets.
I like this gray jacket. It has a zipper.
Yes, a zipper goes up and down to close the jacket. Let's find your size.
I am looking for a large gray jacket, but I only see small and medium. They don't have a large.
We should ask the shop assistant.
Okay, I will practice my English. Excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello. I like this gray jacket, but I cannot find my size. Do you have this in a large?
A large grey jacket. Let me check in the back room for you. Please wait a moment.
Thank you.
I'm very sorry, sir. We are out of stock.
Out of stock? What does that mean?
Out of stock means they have no more in the store. They sold all the large jackets.
Oh, no more large jackets. Out of stock. That is okay. I will just buy the shirt, the jeans, and the belt.
Okay, sir, you can pay at the cashier over there.
Scene 8. Paying at the cashier.
Okay, Taylor. Let's go to the cashier to pay.
The cashier is the person who takes our money.
Hello. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. I want to buy this dark blue shirt, these jeans, and this black belt.
Great. Oh, you are lucky. Today we have a sale.
A sale? What is a sale?
A sale means the clothes are cheaper today. They have a discount. You pay less money.
Cheaper? I like a sale.
Yes, all shirts are 20% off. Your total is $65. Would you like to pay with cash or a credit card?
I will pay with a credit card, please.
Please insert your card into the machine. Thank you. Here's your receipt and your bag. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Scene 9. Reviewing vocabulary at the cafe.
You bought some really nice clothes, Sam.
Yes, I am very happy, but I am also very thirsty. My throat is dry.
Let's sit at the mall cafe and drink some water.
Good idea. While we drink water, let's review all the English words I learned today.
Excellent. Let's start from the beginning. Where are we?
We are in a shopping mall. It is a big building with many stores. We used the directory map to find the store. We went up the moving stairs called an escalator.
Very good. What did you see outside the store?
I saw the window display with plastic people called mannequins.
What about the clothes?
I learned about a button-up shirt. It has buttons to close it. The arms are called sleeves. I bought long sleeves.
Did you buy a shirt with stripes?
No, I bought a solid color. I bought a dark blue shirt. Oh, and I learned about sizes. S is small, M is medium, L is large, and XL is extra large. My size is large.
How did you know your size?
I went to the fitting room and I tried it on. The medium was too tight, but the large fit perfectly.
What else did you buy?
I bought blue jeans and a black leather belt to hold my pants up. I wanted a jacket with a zipper, but the large size was out of stock. They had no more.
How did you pay?
I went to the cashier. I was happy because there was a sale and a discount. The clothes were cheaper. I paid my total with a credit card and I got my receipt.
Sam, your English is getting so good. You are ready for the party.
Thank you, Taylor. I had a fun day shopping with you.
How was it? I hope this video helped you learn many useful English words for shopping at the mall. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What color shirt does Sam buy at the end of the story? Did you get it right? Please write your answer in the comments section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but practical tips for everyday situations. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye for now.